Hey there! Today is the 9th day before Christmas and we're going to be making some chocolate crinkle cookies. These came out absolutely delicious. And as always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cookies.
Start by putting your flour and cocoa powder in a bowl and whisking it together. And then add your salt and baking powder in there. Give it a quick whisk. And then just place this aside. In another bowl, put your sugar and your oil. I like to use grapeseed oil. You can use any other oil you have. And just mix it together. Once it's incorporated and fluffy, just add in an egg at a time. And combine well for a couple minutes. Then add in another egg and mix that together. Then add in your vanilla extract and give it a quick mix. Then we're going to add in that flour cocoa powder mixture and combine it all well for a couple minutes. It will start to come together and hold its shape better. Here you can see how well this all comes together. Don't forget to scrape your bowl with your spatula. Once it's all incorporated well, we're gonna get some saran wrap and cover it up. You can see my reflection, hey. Then we're gonna put it in the freezer for about half an hour to an hour, just until you notice the dough harden. And then I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop to scoop out my cookie dough. And then dump it into your powdered sugar. And then place it on a sheet pan with parchment paper. And I'm just gonna be repeating this step with all my dough. This did make about 12 cookies, so you can get a dozen out of this batter. I'm going to just repeat that, scooping out my cookie dough, dumping it in the powdered sugar, and then placing it on the sheet pan. While you're scooping your cookies, go ahead and set your oven to 350 degrees. These will bake between 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. And there's my tray with all my cookies. And here they are baked. They came out really cool and I like that crinkle effect on there. And here's an inside shot of these fluffy little cookies.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We have 8 recipes left. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with all the videos I'll be posting for the 12 days of baked goods, hit the subscribe button down below. Until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.